Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Michigan. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy, so click the link below. I'm going to show you on my screen. We're going to use the 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 website, and at the same time you can follow along on your screen. And I'm going to show you exactly what to fill out for every single question. There's going to be no guesswork. This is going to be really fast and easy, and I'm also going to make it as cheap as possible. There's a few options for like upgrades and things like that, so I'm going to navigate you through all of that. Again, so click that link below in the description or pinned comment, and let's get right into it. So this is the 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 website, and we're going to start by clicking Michigan. All right, and then you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. All right. And what stage are you currently in with your business? Just click whatever applies for you. And then you're going to type in the industry you fall into. So kind of like what category is your business. And you can see they just have really like unlimited options. So for me, it's eyelash extensions. And are you offering a good, a service, or both? So click all that apply here. Okay, and as far as hiring employees, if you change your mind about this later on, it's really not a big deal. Again, just click where you are at the current moment. And do you have a financial goal for yourself? Okay, so now you're going to type in the zip code of your business. So if you have a storefront, I would use that zip code. If you don't, you can use your zip code of your home address in Michigan. And where are you serving customers? Online, at a shopper store, or on the go? So select all that apply here. And today I want you guys to click LLC and also EIN. So your EIN is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So you'll more than likely need it within your first year of doing business. And yeah, this is why I love 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏. I mean, if you just look here, they have so much stuff available. It's like all organized in one place. You don't have to go searching the internet. If you need a permit for something, or you want a logo designed or a website created, they have all of that. So click whatever else you need, but today I'm just going to click these two. And this is a survey we can skip. And you're going to click YouTube. Okay, just a really cool opportunity that 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 has for you. It's a free 12-week business coaching program. There's no catch to it. It's completely free. If you can learn something that helps you be more successful and make more money, that's amazing. So if you want it, click yes. If you don't, just hit no thanks. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, again, they're asking, do you want 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 to help you make your EIN number? So to do it through 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 is $99. If you don't want to pay that $99, you can click this option here and do it through the IRS website. In my personal opinion, government websites are super outdated. They're difficult to navigate. I just don't like them. It stresses me out. So if you don't want to deal with that stress, 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 will do it all for you for $99. And for me, that's completely worth the stress and the hassle. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now if you live in Michigan and your LLC and your business are in Michigan as well, you are your own registered agent. It's basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. Okay, so if this might not apply for you if maybe you're opening an LLC in Michigan for like tax benefits, some sort of tax break, something like that, and you live in a different state, in which case you would still need a registered agent that lives in the state, and 𝗤𝙀𝙀𝙀𝙀𝗀𝗏 could find you one for $200. But most of you guys watching this video, you are your own registered agent, and you click this option here. And it's just asking, are you sure? Yes, we are. And every single year you need to renew your LLC, and that's no matter what state you live in. So what happens if you forget to do it? You'll be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, and we obviously don't want to pay those, right? So Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year. It's $199, which is a little bit pricey, but it's still cheaper than what you would pay for the late fees and fines. So keep that in mind. If you think you remember, you can just click this button here. I'll handle the compliance, and you don't have to pay anything additional today for that. Okay, we're gonna hit no on the branding toolkit. And for just $49, we can get our LLC in just 2 days from now. If you don't wanna pay that $49, you can get it in 2 weeks for free. But I want it as soon as possible, so I'm gonna click this option here. Okay, an operating agreement is basically a document that you'll need if you have business partners, either one or multiple. And it kind of breaks down like the rules, responsibilities, and ownership of the business. So if you do have a partner, I would highly suggest getting an operating agreement through Taylor Brands. It's only $29, and that kind of just secures yourself and your business, and so everyone involved knows what's what, pretty much. If you don't have a partner, you can figure it out yourself, meaning you do not need an operating agreement if it's just you working. Okay, and this formation kit, I'm going to save you guys some money, so I'm going to click we don't need it, but it's definitely something to consider. It's basically a binder with all of your business and accounting documents, so if you want to be super organized right from the beginning, I would recommend to check this out. Totally up to you. Okay, and again, this is, remember I mentioned if you don't have like a storefront, you can use your home address. So if you're not comfortable using your home address, you can get a virtual address created for you. On Taylor Brands here, it's $39 a month. That's totally up to you. Personally, I haven't had issues. I've used my home address and I haven't received junk mail or spam or anything. So I'm gonna use my home address, but whatever you're more comfortable with. And yes, let's get notified about our filing. Okay, we're almost done. So right here, you can check out the different plans that Taylor Brands offers, and you can see in the two that are a little more expensive, you have some other stuff. Like this one creates a logo for you. They create a free website. So definitely cool stuff depending on where you are with your business. They can kind of create like everything that you need. But for the purpose of this video, we're just filing our LLC, and we're gonna do this light plan here. Okay, so here's what we're paying for today. So the Michigan state filing fee for an LLC is $50, and that's just the mandated state fee. Michigan is actually one of the least expensive states for an LLC, so you guys got lucky on that. And we're getting that free business coaching program included. We're also paying for that 2-day filing fee, and if you don't want to pay this, you can just unclick the button here for your grand total. Now, within about a week or so of filing your LLC, then you'll be charged the EIN number, so it'll come through as a second charge. All right, then you're going to go to pay. After you put in your credit card information, it's just going to ask you again about what address you want to use. Like I mentioned, I use my home address. It's literally just for them to contact you and have on file if they need something in regards to your LLC. I've never had issues with it. But if you are not comfortable with it, just go back here and you can get your virtual address, or just do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address. And if you do have a storefront, you can use that address instead. So that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and EIN number. If you do have questions, please leave it in the comments below. Wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.